Watch this video very carefully and try to learn something that can help you to make profitable trades for lifelong. As you know, I have already made lots of video regarding this exact strategy that I'm showing you in this video. So don't think that it should work for the 100% of the time. No any strategy works for the 100% of the time. But as you can see in the screen, I have not edited any part of this video, and you can see it properly how I'm executing the trade. Now learn this and try it firstly in your demo account, and if at exact that moment if it is working in your demo account, then start to trade in your real account. Now I'll keep quiet, just enjoy this video.